that a lot. So that's me. Oh yeah.
You better not.
Ooh.
All right. Thank you for doing that. All right, Andrew, why are we here today?
We're building a computer.
We are building a computer, which is just honestly a personal hobby, but I've got to teach these dorks how to do it because we're building a computer so we can do better live streaming things.
Like, yeah.
With fancy graphics cards and stuff Mr. Barchi and Mr. Fisher help us out with. So
yeah, for the a better computer for the
yeah, the thing I just said and you're repeating.
No, but you said better live stream. So like, what kind? You didn't explain what kind of live.
We do sports. So far we've been doing what? Volleyball, football, lack thereof, unfortunately, this week. We're going to be doing concerts, live performances. Sometimes we try pep rallies when the internet allows us.
Why aren't you coming out to swim?
You guys are in Lake Brantley, and I don't know if they have Wi-Fi by the pool. So. How's swim team going? All right. We're wearing our masks. Please wear your mask, everybody.
Everyone, please wear your mask.
Where are you going?
I'm transferring my mask.
You change? Oh, you got a wardrobe change? We're only 2 minutes in.
Yeah, because this mask is kind of full sometimes. So.
All right. What do you know about a computer?
I don't. Well, I mean, I know like the basic components of a computer.
All right. What's this?
That's ooh.
Hey, Dario, will you tilt because you can't see me on the right camera? My bad.
All right, that is a
All right.
It's a hard.
Not your father. Just tilt so you
Oh,
can
my
see.
motherboard.
There we go, motherboard. Oh, you can turn the LCD so you can actually see. That would be a good idea.
Oh, dude.
Oh my
I
gosh.
got it. I said so you could see.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so you could run the camera and you could zoom in. Well, you don't really got to zoom. Just kind of adjust the tripod.
What am I see your face?
No, just you're looking at. We're doing a picture-in-picture.
Okay.
Is it still picture-in-picture in there? All right, thank you, Bianca.
All right, that's better.
All right. He's getting a chair because he's short.
Yep.
My name is Dylan. All right. So, what'd you call this?
That's motherboard.
This is the motherboard.
And this where that's where the RAM goes.
Okay, let's start with RAM. How about that?
All right, so like each stick is a certain amount.
You want to open one? I'll open one.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What do you think RAM stands for?
Something memory.
What's your favorite Daft Punk album?
I don't listen to that.
Oh, I'm disappointed in you.
Random.
Random.
Something memory.
Okay, random access memory.
Random access memory.
RAM is kind of like the super fast storage, if you will, that
it's
when you load programs and everything, it helps handle and juggle everything going on. It's kind of like more tires on a car. The more tires you got, the more traction you got.
like the carbohydrates. Right?
I didn't do good in science, so. All right, you got that?
I got it.
All right, so what you want to do is, can you see that, Dario? Yeah. I know you're worried about your phone, not my camera. You want to take the RAM stick, you match it up. There's like a little indentation. It's not quite 50-50. It's kind of like 60-40. And what you want to do is you want to open these guys. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, this is a short string. Oh, so this side doesn't pop open. That's weird.
Okay.
What you're going to do is you're going to push down. There's a rattle in this set.
It has to be later.
It's all right. And then you push down until it clicks. You want to try to do another one?
All right. So you put it in.
I think you're on the wrong side there. Your hole's got to go on the other one. There you go.
Okay. Oh god, it's a lot of pressure.
It's only $80. No big deal. You got $80?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, push down. You got to put. Oh, bro. You got.
Oh, I don't want to break it.
You're not gonna break it. I promise. Want to do another one?
Yeah.
You got to put. You're gonna be really scared of a lot of stuff we do here. If we finish this period, we might not finish. We'll see what happens. All right, push down. Did that side click?
Oh,
it's his first time.
I don't build computers.
It's not hard.
I play sports.
I'm a jock.
I'm a jock, yeah.
All right, so we got RAM. What else do you think we got to do here?
70 touchdowns junior year.
No, I'm talking about this.
Okay.
What do you think like the brain of the computer is?
What do you mean the brain?
The brain.
The hard drive?
Brain.
Right.
What's this P word?
What?
Processor.
Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, processor. Okay, yeah. See, like the things I know is like processor, hard drive. You have like your cooling thing. You got
This
your
is what's gonna
video card.
This is what's gonna play your Fortnites.
Hey, Fortnite.
Your Fortnites.
Call of Duty.
My dad's an IT worker, so
You should know this, yeah.
I should. I really should.
All right, so that's the processor.
Okay.
You want to hold that up for Daryl? Just don't drop it, please. That's 200 and something bucks right there.
Should I drop it?
Don't drop it.
50 likes and I'll drop it.
All right. So we're gonna carefully open this. Now, I should say this. There's this thing called static electricity.
Dude, I'm so staticky.
Are you really?
So staticky.
We might have fried the board already and we don't even know. Have you felt any shocks?
No.
You always want to touch some metal. If you actually want to be super safe, they actually have these like, I never wear it, but I've got it. It's like a little piece of metal. You put it on your wrist and you clip it to something to ground you. So, what are you doing to my camera?
It's unfocused.
Oh, it's unfocused?
Yeah.
Oh crap, is it fixed?
Okay.
Oh. I hope. That's going to be awkward. All right, so
At least you got the shots from this one.
when you do your processor, he's having more fun with this now.
Don't tell me
Are you going to permanently wear that and ground yourself in life?
Should I? Oh, yeah. Maybe it'll give me better luck. Is this
All
grounded?
right.
Is this grounded?
You want to touch something that's grounded that's metal.
That's metal?
Sure.
Grounded? What does it do now?
Now you're grounded, just like your parents do. All right, so this might be a little hard to see. Oh, crap, I actually don't remember how to do this. Oh, man, I got to remember how to do this. Basically, the processor's got to go in a certain way. And I got to remember how to do it now. I'm brain farting. Oh, man, this is terrible. I believe you do
What
logo.
stream?
Huh?
I said, what stream?
I think you do it logo up like that. Oh, and I forgot to do something. We got to unlock this.
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do.
Oh, dude, that's like a, yeah.
All right, now, so it's in, you just drop it in, and then you do that, you lock it, and I think we did it right because it's not coming out. So we're good. All right, how do you think you keep a CPU cool? Put sunglasses on it or what?
Give them to me. Because I'm just that cool.
All right, so we got the fan. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, so why do we have 3 fans?
Where's the other fans? What are you talking about? That's a video card. We'll get to that.
Oh, what's that over there?
That's a power supply.
Oh, that, see that? Okay, power supply is the big guy.
Yeah.
Big guy.
All right, what do you think this stuff is right here?
That's like sticky.
It's thermal paste. What it does is it helps keep the temperatures controlled on like high temperature electronics. And that fan, here, actually, let's go backwards really quick. The metal around it's going to absorb all the heat, and that fan's going to cool the metal down.
Wait, I don't know. Okay.
So yeah, I usually put my own thermal paste on. So I need to find out if I need to do that. There's a screw in here. Wow, look how tiny that is. Maybe we shouldn't lose this stuff.
What is this?
We got some stickers.
There's already
I don't
some
usually
sticky on
use the
it.
one that's pre-applied, but I just want to make, where's the, this is the motherboard instruction. Let me get the, oh, there. I want to make sure, if you don't put thermal paste on that, and it gets super hot, like right away, it's going to like melt. And there's like 200 something
So
dollars.
if I already static this thing up,
You're good. It could be. I don't know if it is.
Oh, jeez. I apologize in advance.
I hope it's not fried. I think you're good though.
Yeah, I didn't feel any
I
shock.
believe it's already pre-applied.
You know what I felt shock when I touched? That. When I touched that.
Oh, really?
Shocked me.
That's not good. Tell you what, I want to do some of the stuff anyway. Well, see, it's got some pre-applied, so I'm having a quick issue mentally if I want to take it off and do my own paste.
Say go with it. Why would it be bad?
I don't know. We'll go with it then. All right, so when we lay this down, you see those 4 screws there?
Mhm.
We got to line that up with that. So I'm going to need a screwdriver.
Okay. This one?
Oh, man, he doesn't know what a screwdriver is.
This is fat.
It's a screwdriver.
It's a big boy.
All right, so we're going to undo these screws.
Okay. You can't even get
I know.
it.
There we go.
Do a solder around it. So,
Solder?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not for, we're not soldering that. I will tell you, if you ever build your own computer, do the motherboard and everything first before you put it in the case. It's way easier to do everything outside of the case than it is when you put it in there. All right, we're gonna get these all.
we're taking the screws out
Yeah, man.
that are surrounding the processor.
Now, this one is a little different. I gotta figure out if, I don't know if we leave that with those brackets on or not. I gotta figure that out. Maybe I should have read the instructions. Assume. Now, see, I wanna see if it's actually touching the, oh, it's not. Oh, so we are taking these off. There we go.
Maybe take them off.
Because you want this to go on the processor.
Are these like plastic?
Yeah, they're just junk.
Oh.
They're mounts. Sometimes the fan needs a mount, sometimes it doesn't. I don't think this one's gonna need it. Now, you see this cable?
Yeah.
This is your CPU fan. So we need to look for a little plug that looks like your CPU fan. Right here, CPU fan. You see that? I know it's probably hard for you to see, but so we're gonna plug that there. And then I'm gonna try to, manage your cables. I'm gonna drop that on there. Oh, I didn't get it on there. Oh God! You want to tighten it down? Let me do one, and I'll let you do it. I forgot you're a little scared.
Expecting a lot from me.
It's not hard.
Is that it?
I'm gonna do so. I like to do opposite corners. You ever do like workshop stuff with your pop?
Yeah, that's how we did that with our doorbell, our Ring doorbell. Workshop stuff, with my pop.
I'm not hitting that for some reason. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, I wasn't on it.
Look at this guy. Talking about workshop stuff. Maybe he needs to get back in the workshop.
I painted my house.
That's not the same thing as screwing in screws.
You you really got to push down. So this is where I was gonna mess with you. Is that out of focus again?
Yes.
Hey, on the left side. Oh, see, you gotta like bend the motherboard practically.
Bender.
I'm not doing
You want to do the other two screws? I'm gonna check the
I have to
focus.
bend the
You just
motherboard.
gotta give it a little pressure. Don't go crazy.
Go crazy.
For those of you at home, I apologize. We're gonna do a quick zoom in. We got a manual.
Okay, I got that
Focus
one.
on his hairs. Let me see your face real quick. Hold still. Stop moving. There we go. Now we're all in focus. All right, we'll be all right. Bianca, anyone in the chat talking? All right. How many viewers do we have? 4? That's 5 more than I expected.
Alright.
You got them tight?
Yep.
All right. So like any other father, I'm going to come behind you and second guess what you did. All right. We're
Hey!
We should probably take this sticker off because that fan can't blow if there's a
Well,
sticker.
why is there so many fans?
Because computers get hot.
Oh,
All right. What do you think we're missing now? We got a processor. We got RAM. So we got the engine.
Wait, what is this stuff?
That's for your video card stuff. We'll get there.
What are we missing? We're missing a lot.
I know. I'm trying to think. Actually, I need a moment to assess the situation. All right. So I didn't test the power supply. It's been sitting for a few months.
Now it's gone above the nose.
I know, I'm working it, Phil. How about we start the case? So I'm going to ask you to gently. Oh God, I don't even want to move this. We're going to put that right there.
Oh, that's hanging off the side.
I know, that's what I'm worried about. Let's get the case here. All right.
Oh, this is kind of dope.
Yeah, it's got some glass on the side.
Oh, that's crazy.
Ashuka!
They have water cooling.
I don't even touch water cooling.
Dude, water inside of electronics?
You use distilled water because distilled water, if I'm not mistaken, I need a science nerd to correct me, distilled water will not carry a current. so you can actually cut the electronics with it. I could be wrong on that. All right, so on the back of this guy, there's some screws.
They just come out.
I'm showing you, chill out,
How did you just take screws out with your hands?
because I'm a man.
I guess I'm
All right, so this is the back side.
Okay. Well, I would hope
We'll-
so.
we'll come back to that.
There.
Now the glass is here. This is going to be the front side. This is where we're going to actually like do the surgery, so to speak. Don't peel this off yet.
That's gonna be like the last thing.
Very.
I mean, assuming this computer even turns on, I'm going to be honest.
Why?
I don't know. I'm just always doubtful. All right, this is glass.
Put it right here.
Put that somewhere safe. Go put it in that blue chair.
I have a.
That
Mike,
mic chair
you're
is not
too slow.
safe.
I have a wire on.
If somebody forgets and they sit on
I
the chair,
have
they're gonna crack it.
A wire on.
Pull the wire.
Well,
Plug. All right. So anyway, all right. I know this might be a little difficult for you to see, but we got these gold screws. These are the mounts. What we're gonna do is on the motherboard, there's actually these like holes that got like, I don't know, what would you call that? It was like a little octagon or what?
no, they've got like little dots,
Yeah, sure.
like braille.
Like these corners here, like they do like a little gold around it to
Yeah.
tell you. You want to match those up.
With those,
So
it seems like a lot bigger.
yeah, you want room for air and everything. All right, so we're gonna rest that. I know it's probably a hard angle for you to see, but
Very.
all right, when you do it, so I got the
It's
one.
like a handheld camera.
So all right, this is why I wanted to do here.
Too many cables.
That one was not lining up with that one. So you see how I got that left one? We're about to headbutt each other.
Okay,
I don't see.
You're about to slide the whole thing off.
I don't see.
The deck.
Are we really? Oh God, yeah. Pull that back.
That's fine. Never.
I'm scared now.
It was actually a little further.
Okay, so Andrew, we've actually got to move these screws to here because you see how I put this here?
Yeah.
Oh my God, they moved again. You
You
see
might want
how
to move your side, Mr. Trainer.
Yeah, you're.
we're in some trouble here actually.
Are there other holes for the screws?
Thank you. Hold on. So here's
No, I feel like I need to be in this show.
Oh, I'm an idiot. I put it in the wrong way.
He put it in the wrong way.
There we go. Hold on. Because there we go. All right, that's better. So I see 1,
Oh, 2.
2, 3 on the left side. I got 2 in the middle, 3 in the middle. I don't have any on the right side.
There is one.
We need to add them. Let's see if they give us some tiny mount screws.
Oh, yeah, right here.
I know, but I need the actual gold piece. I don't think they gave us
Something
it.
smells burnt.
It's probably dust on the lights.
Oh, yeah. That light.
How many viewers do we have?
You know what? It'll be all right. Don't worry about it.
How many viewers do we have?
Yeah, how many viewers we have too?
We're at 4 right now.
We're still at 4?
Yeah, I mean, shoot, that's not bad.
I mean, the Lakers are playing, so I understand.
They're not playing right now.
Oh, they gotta watch reruns. Okay. With the motherboard. Ooh, this is the I/O shield. We need to pop that
The
up.
IO shield. Ooh, fancy. Something from Call of Duty.
So let's we're gonna do this one last time. We're gonna pop that in.
This guy. Look at him go.
How much time we got in class?
Actually, got pretty much a lot of time.
17 minutes.
We have 17. Okay, we might actually finish.
Right.
Please don't fall and ruin our cables.
Please.
Yeah, Lewis.
Yeah, Lewis.
All right, so right now we're putting on the IO shield.
I/O shield. Maybe it goes on the other one.
He's not very good at this, is he?
No, I am.
That's okay.
Oh, you see what they did here, I think?
Oh, see, now he figured out why he's stupid. Look at him go.
I'm gonna beat you.
Oh, I think you got it.
All right, we're just gonna
You got it.
poke the motherboard. and line it up with those parts.
Shouldn't you get that in first?
And then, all right, now I need some motherboard screws, which I think I threw down here somewhere.
Nice. You threw them down.
What's that little bag by your foot?
It's a candy wrapper.
Have you checked this box?
Yeah, did I throw any in the box? Maybe I did that. I don't think I did. It's all right, I got extra screws. All right.
I mean, there's these
There's
screws.
Yeah, I got a bag of. Yeah, I know I'm gonna use that. Oh, I had some threads in here too. Oh, well. All right, so Andrew,
Show us some of your equipment you're using today.
It's not in.
you gonna line it up for me?
I'm trying to, but it's not moving. Oh,
You got it?
no.
Uh-oh.
There's Andrew messing it up.
I think it was
It's not moving over now. I feel like this, like,
we just gotta shove it a little bit.
okay, we do that.
So I want you to hold these 4 silver screws.
Where the fall off this chair? Somebody gonna help?
And 6. Hold those.
Sounds like a good class.
These look very small in comparison to how big
Let's see. So what I'm gonna do.
yeah. Screws.
All right, give me one.
Wait, show us the screws.
Grab it.
These are what the screws look like.
Nice.
All right. Oh,
Oh! All right, here's all I want you to hold that.
You should have gotten the magnetic screwdriver.
Well, you don't want to do magnetics around all these electronics. You might break something.
he said.
Okay, so Andrew, I
Okay.
want you.
With my sausage fingers.
Sausage fingers. All right, you see that hole I got lined up? Try to get the screw on there for me. So if I get one in, then we get another, we'll kind of force it in place. Oh wow, you got that on the first try. Look at you.
I don't think it's too loose. So like, I'm getting any traction.
Cracking
Oh,
noise.
yeah.
That was the
Kind of scared me.
that was the IO.
I'll lose it.
I got her.
All right, now Andrew, you see that one at the top?
The very top.
Yeah. Can you get it in there?
Ooh.
Now you get to go home and tell your parents you built a computer today, and they're gonna be like, "What?
My dad's gonna say like, oh, good for you.
You got it?"
No. Oh God.
Oh god, you dropped it. You can't see it from this angle. It's bad. Oh, they're in there laughing at something.
Oh. Okay. I didn't get it in. I lost.
I can do the middle one if you want to start
I
there.
got it.
You want to do the middle one first?
I mean, yeah, sure.
Here, do that middle one. Is it in?
Yep.
Oh god, I almost took it out. We're bouncing on this TV stand.
We gotta get a better.
It's the old chorus.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, you got 6 viewers.
I'm sorry?
Who are the
You got
viewers?
6 viewers.
6 viewers.
Yeah,
Oh, 6 viewers.
Hello, 6 viewers.
but they're over there saying you guys are holding hands.
We're not holding.
Who said that?
All right, you gotta get one in.
Lewis. Who you think?
Lewis wishes we were holding hands.
Lewis and yeah.
So, Dario, what's up with Call of Duty these days?
Dude, I cannot. Like,
Man, the new sniper they
You can't
keep
get that?
saying it's broken.
No, the thing is that I can't like get in there to. I can't see.
We were definitely not social.
And it's not even a sniper; it's a marksman rifle.
Got it.
You got it?
Did I?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
You fall out?
Yeah.
If you could screw it in, I'll push the motherboard up a little bit. Here, take this.
All right. Okay. Kind of. Yeah. You have to push it more.
You got it? Righty tighty. Okay.
The SPR-28.
Is it getting tight?
Can't tell.
Let me see.
I think it might not be in.
I think you got enough turns in there.
I think it might be like not in. Right.
How did you play COD?
I haven't played in a while.
do you feel about the new Huntsman rifle?
Who, me?
Yes.
I haven't played like in a while.
Do you know what it
I played when
It is very hot in the studio.
it is,
guys.
dude.
I am sweating.
Ooh, good thing you're grounded.
I am grounded. Now, I don't know if I'm sweating because I'm hot or if I'm overweight, but
You're not okay.
I am sweating.
How's keto treating you?
I'm not on that right now
Oh, okay.
because I'm going to swim. I don't want to die. Yeah.
That's true. You need the carbs,
I
don't you?
need some carbs. Yeah. I mean, I'm still not eating a bunch, but I'm eating some.
Keto works.
It
I
does.
have some relatives that lost over 100 pounds in 3 months. They just stopped eating bread and
I
rice.
mean, I
And
lost
stuff.
60 pounds in like 4 months.
That's good, man.
I don't know how overweight your family was.
They're big people. They eat southern food a lot. So I mean, I'm just being honest.
Are you one of the only?
No, my mom weighs like 90 pounds.
No, I said, are you like? I was gonna ask you, like one of the only like. You're Southern, but you're not like Southern.
I'm from South Carolina. My dad's kind of a hillbilly, but my mom's from Iowa, so she's just boring.
I'm from Cuba.
You're from Cuba?
I'm from Cuba.
I had no idea you were from Cuba. All right, the motherboard's in. Yay! Now we're gonna put the video card in.
If you guys don't know what a video card is, it's right there.
So what you want to do is okay, actually let me stop here so we're actually learning something. So these are called PCI Express slots. And these are where you add on cards.
It kind of looks like RAM.
This is going to be our video card. This is AMD 480 or 490?
What he said.
480.
That's it.
I don't have an NVIDIA laying around, but it's just as good. And then we're going to put actually a broadcast card. It's called a Magic Decklink Duo 2. I'll explain that later. But they're both going to go in the PCI Express slots. Oh, there's a screw.
Uh-oh.
Where did that come from?
Did that come
That
out?
was not clear.
It came out the top.
Uh-oh.
It's all right. It ain't going nowhere. Where'd it go? I lost it. Oh, there it is.
Can we try one more time?
No, it's not going. 5 out of 6 ain't bad. 5 out of 6 is 83, if I'm not mistaken.
It's still not good enough for my parents.
Right?
Imagine your printer watching this.
Don't lose that. Every one of these is always a little different for some dumb reason. Yeah. Oh,
I don't think we're gonna finish this.
what time is it?
1:15.
It's 1:15. What time you guys leave?
24.
We'll at least finish the fundamentals here in a second. So it looks like literally, oh shit. I mean, shoot. I almost broke something. Almost cut my hand and broke something, sorry. I have to break this off so I can put the video card in it, but it's hitting something on the motherboard.
You have to break that?
Yeah, wow, that's stupid.
I'm sure you have to break that.
There we go. Yeah, you have to break it off.
Is that meant to be broken?
It is. Cheap Amazon case. All right, so can you see it from here?
Yes.
Oh, guess what? The way it lines up, I get to break another one.
He gets to break another one. These are kind of fun to play with.
I mean, if you want to cut yourself like I just did, sorry about that,
I'm
guys.
trying to think about-
I thought I was going to start bleeding everywhere.
I'm trying to think about what this is like.
That one came out.
What were
right.
these? What gets really hot when you bend it a lot?
Metal?
Like a,
Oh, like a paper clip or something.
what is that?
I don't know, somebody in there's dying. Look at Bianca.
Oh, like a no, like a Capri.
You okay in there, Bianca?
A Capri Sun straw. I'm thinking of something else though.
All right, we got to hold the video card down. I got these extra screws. So what you do is, Andrew, on the outside here, this bracket, you see how the video card lines up with that hole?
Mhm.
We're going to screw that in. Hopefully it's screw the right size.
Screw looks like it's the right size.
All right. We're going to be playing Fortnite before we... Oh! I just made a boo-boo.
Never mind. We will not be playing Fortnite.
I did not unlock the slot before I put the video card in.
Bonk. Come on, look at this man. Hey, look at that fresh cut though.
Like a cut, G.
Okay.
All right, so let's backtrack. Just like the RAM, you want to open that first before you put the card in.
Can you show it again?
Yeah, let me do it again. Make sure I do it for real this time. You see? That way you can actually put the card in without making a loud noise like I just did. I hope I didn't break it. So
We've basically broken it.
yeah, you shocked it.
In,
Yeah,
in every step that we've gone, we've broken something.
My first computer, I actually broke that by mistake. It wouldn't open at all. It looked like a defect, and you don't need it. It's just a lock to hold it in place. But this screw is going to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. So I can pick it up now for you. Okay. We got this fan on the back. We need to give it power. And you can honestly, you just find like a fan little thing in here. There's actually one here at the top called pump fan. Actually, that's not right. Hold on.
That's not right.
No, because it's a 4-prong, and we just need a 3-prong. So we just need to find a fan thing. Problem is every motherboard's a little different. I actually don't see one. Maybe we don't need a fan. We need a fan. That was a joke. Why are you on your phone?
Yeah, your live stream.
Put your phone out, man. Yeah, come on, dude.
I'm trying to help this kid out.
Kid, you're supposed to be helping your teacher out. He's breaking stuff.
You got 5 minutes.
What am I supposed to? So ungrateful.
Let's see here.
5 viewers?
Oh no, we lost a viewer.
5 minutes.
How many viewers do we have?
I don't.
How many viewers do we have? 4? We have 6?
We're still at 6.
Hey! We have 5 minutes left though, okay.
I do not see a spot to put this fan at.
He doesn't see a spot to put the fan in.
That's no bueno.
No bueno.
No mucho gracias.
That's all right. We'll figure it out.
We'll
All right. You want to see if it works? Oh wait, we need power.
Yeah, that's what I was assuming.
All right, so here's power supply.
Big chunkies.
Question. Oh, backside. So this is why you got to open up the back too. Look what I found.
Bruh.
All the screws.
This guy, this computer's gonna fall apart.
No, it's not.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. All right, let's wrap up really quick. We will conclude. We're going to put the power supply in. You want the fan facing the bottom of the case because there's like this little filter at the bottom. Drop that right in.
A lot of fans in computers. I never knew that.
And we're going to leave all that on top, and we're gonna stop here because we're going to get the power supply hooked up. We need to find. You see these thicker screws like right there?
Those are the gold screws that we're supposed to.
I know. Go figure, right?
We should probably do that.
It's all right. It's not going. I need these. So pick out 4 of those, and I'm going to have you screw the power supply into place. All right. Once you get 1 or 2 in, it'll make it a lot easier. Can you see it where you're at?
All right, I got it.
All right. So Andrew, that top. See where I'm pointing right now?
Yep.
Get a screw in there and tighten that down. I think those should be big enough. All right. Get the screwdriver.
My dad always taught me you want to get it in there a little bit before.
All right. There you go. There's 1. You got another one? All right.
There's 4, right?
Yep, let's do, all right, right there, you see that one right next to range?
3 minutes.
How many minutes? We're gonna conclude after this. I might have to finish this on my own, or maybe we'll do it tomorrow. Are you having fun now?
Yeah.
Are you learning anything?
I'm learning a lot.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it
I'm
went
not doing anything. I'm doing.
It went in.
Did?
Pretty sure, yeah, tighten it down. Yeah, it went in. Yeah, I feel it pulling, it went in.
I think I'm screwing it in enough.
Maybe you are. So we'll stand it up now. Oh, what was that?
Everything you build starts breaking down.
All right. So do this bottom left one real quick. Thank you. Those are the hard drive things. You see that thread right there? I'm gonna come around the other side. Is it time to go? 2 minutes?
It's so.
All right, hold on. We're gonna get these screws and we'll get out of here.
Push that in, man.
I got you.
Look at this teamwork, guys.
It's like up in there. I don't think it's.
Push up.
It's like no, it's not even in.
Bianca's laughing at me in there. There you go. You see it? Use the screwdriver. Shove it in there. You guys got dirty minds. I'm trying to build a computer here. All right, come on, tighten. Man, if we're ever defusing a bomb or running from zombies, I am not calling Andrew.
If you
You're
ever need,
already been blown up.
if you ever need a goal scored,
A what?
I'm the guy.
You're a guy in a water polo, correct?
Water polo. Yep, water polo. It is so hot.
It is very warm.
Like my what kind of swim mask? $10.
Bell?
That is the bell, ladies and
All
gentlemen.
right.
This concludes me helping Dickerson or observing Dickerson build a computer.
You helped.
I helped a little bit.
got that
I'd like to
one?
thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.
All right. Bye, everybody. Be safe. Thank you.